Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a working cPanel login and sufficient hosting privileges. Once you have those, log in and go straight to the Databases section. Click My SQL Databases to begin. This is where you create and manage databases. Make a short, valid database name now. cPanel often prefixes it with your account name, so plan for that. While creating, think about naming conventions for clarity later. Once the interface is open, you're ready to create the database itself and assign a user. Create the database by typing the short name and clicking Create Database. You'll see confirmation when it's ready. Next, create a database user. Choose a strong password or use the password generator, then save it securely. After creating the user, add that user to the new database and set appropriate privileges. Grant only what the application needs. Typically select, insert, update, delete. This minimizes risk. Once the user is assigned, test the connection details or copy credentials for your application configuration. Now update your application configuration with the host, commonly localhost, database name, username, and password, then test the connection. If you import a dump, use phpMyAdmin or the import tool in cPanel and run initial migrations to verify structure. Make sure file permissions and environment files are saved. If something goes wrong, first confirm credentials and that the user has the required privileges. Then verify the host is correct and check cPanel error messages. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the user password and reassign privileges before anything else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.